This is just a quick video to show you a couple of new options in the fill area. This is in Cloud Grid Designer, and you need to have version 31. So if you go to your help menu, it should say here cloud.31. If it doesn't say 31, you need to click the browser refresh button. Save your work if you're working on something, and then click the browser refresh button, and that should, when you open it up again, say Cloud 31 on it. So that's what this software is that I'm demoing. Okay, so there's two new options down here in the fill area. They are fill stripes horizontal and fill stripes vertical. So this one here, if you click on it, you're going to get a pop-up that comes up like this, and it just says using the mouse, click on the grid to fill areas with horizontal or vertical stripes. The foreground color stripe width is controlled with the line size and width setting, and you can cancel with the green fill button. Okay, I'm going to say got it, so that won't come up again. Now I've got this selected down here, and I'm going to go up here on this grid with that has nothing in it, and I'm just going to click on the top line. Okay, and that's going to fill it with horizontal stripes. Okay. Now, I just wanted to show you that you have control over where you click it. If I click on the top line, then it fills the top line and all the other lines. If I click on the second line, then it's starting with that one, whatever. And if you click somewhere in the middle here, it'll figure out whether it needs to start at the top or not. So the thing to remember is that wherever you click, that's where it's going to draw a stripe. Now it draws a stripe of whatever the foreground color is on whatever background was here. So this doesn't have to be set to anything. That could be something else. This background color does not affect anything. And if we just pick a foreground color here, and whether you right click or left click for this, it's just like the checkerboard, it doesn't matter. It's going to just use the foreground color and fill the stripes in on whatever background exists there. So it's not using this background color at all. Okay, then the other one is the fill stripes vertical. So we can do that. Okay, and this line width down here, or line size, can be used to change the thickness of the lines that are the stripes that are being drawn. So if we change it like that, and let's put some Christmas colors in here, and we click on it like that, then we're going to get stripes of 3 across. And it's going to figure out wherever you click, it's always going to be that's where the foreground color goes. So so it's going to do that. Okay, then let's see. Then I also want to show, that they also fill within. Let's go and put a shape up here. They fill inside of other things. So let's change that to yellow. It's going to be green and yellow. And if we put a nice big heart up here, like that, looks a little better if it's an odd one, if it's an odd number of things. Otherwise, it kind of doubles up in the middle. But if you have like an enclosed space or whatever, then you can fill that with stripes also. Okay, we'll just pick something else here, and we'll click it like that. So it fills like that, and the vertical one does the same thing the other way. You can kind of make a little bit of a crosshatch thing. I thought that was kind of cool. So if you pick the stripes the other way, and you go and click in one of in the striped areas, then you can make kind of a little crosshatch kind of thing that's visible there. I thought that was kind of neat. It looks really good when you put the texture in there too. It looks kind of lacy and stuff, so that looks kind of cool. But anyway, so the horizontal ones here, I added originally so I could do the overlay and mosaic crochet, support that. And then I thought, well, I'll throw the vertical ones in too, because that was pretty easy to do. So anyway, that's another option then that you can use. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.